Gardner here again. Today we're going to do a follow-up to my Optimum No Rinse. We're going to put some finishing touches on the car, and first we're going to showcase the OptiCoat Hyper Seal. This product's going to add a protective layer to the car and help as a drying aid with the Optimum No Rinse process. And then after that we'll let the car sit for about 30 minutes and we'll apply some Optimum Instant Detailer and Gloss Enhancer to really get the car popping. And hope you enjoy the video. Alright, now Hyper Seal is one of those products where a little bit is a lot. So all we're going to do is put one spray on a body panel, just mist it on, and that's it. Dry off the panel as you normally would. You'll already see that even this product starts to provide a really great shine while it's also protecting that panel. So one of the other beauties of this product is it works well on any surface. Spray it on some glass. Chrome trim pieces. Of course, the body panel as well. Alright, so again, we'll let those areas sit for about 30 minutes, and then we will come back to it and we'll apply the gloss detailer. Alright guys, 30 minutes later, it's time for our Optimum Instant Detailer and Gloss Enhancer. This is going to give us that slick final coat on top of the car. Obviously 30 minutes is a while to wait, but what did I do since then? I washed another car, I applied tire shine. You can still see that they're drying, but let's go ahead and get started. So we'll just give it a spray onto a surface, and then we'll wipe it down. Actually feel how slick this is. You see my hand actually slipped right off the towel on that first pass. All right, I'm gonna go do this on the rest of the car, and we'll come back to see how this looks in the end. Alright guys, let's see how we did. You know, I don't know how well the camera will pick this up, but the car kind of looks like a mirror. Really great results. Alright guys, so that's it. That's Optimum's Hyper Seal and Gloss Detailer for the final coat.